I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today, we're with Portofino on Bell in Sacramento, California, taking a look at the Residence 2 model. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Dan Mueller with Century 21 Select, the Mueller team, and today we're here at the Portofino, 1535 Bell Street for the GPS, or Monte Cassino for those in the community. The Portofino are 26 single-family homes located in the Arden area of Sacramento, Highway 80 to our north, Highway 50 to our south, Kaiser Permanente, CSUS, McGeorge Law, all very close. Costco, Starbucks, Target, Safeway, Arden Fair Mall, the Pavilions, Nordstrom Rack, Save Mart, Lifestyle-wise golf courses, country clubs, and the famous American River Bike Trail are all just a hop, skip, and a jump away. Here we're in front of our show house number 2. This is a 1,554 square foot floor plan consisting of 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Notice while we're outside the beautiful facade, how the elevation just plays well together with the colors. Wonderful facility. Let's go inside and take a look. Outside we have drought-tolerant landscaping. This is maintained by the HOA. HOA will also maintain the drip mist system, and this is all water, low water usage. As we go inside, restroom off to the left. Beautiful open area here in the foyer area. Very, very high ceilings, goes all the way up. Grandiose, luxurious feel, just gorgeous. As we go into the main kitchen, living room area, here we have ample space for a table, very beautiful. Notice the abundance of light through the tall open windows. Outside area, if you want to take a gander, nice decomposed granite pad, a little bit of AstroTurf, however you'd like to set that up. This is an option that can be upgraded. This facility offers upgrades in just about everything. Lighting, light switches, all the way to flooring. When here we have vinyl plank flooring throughout. What a beautiful play of color with just the way it's been staged. You can imagine your own luxury furniture throughout here. Gorgeous white cabinetry. These are shaker style cabinets. Goes very well with our beautiful quartz upgraded covering here. All of our units come with a microwave oven, also customizable, a range, customizable, as well as a very nice dishwasher. This community offers security. There are going to be egress and ingress gates, automatic gates that open and close with a keypad, so you really know who is in the community and who your kids are playing with. We have a garage, one-star garage right off to the back here. Ample space for a vehicle, very nice. Easy, right into the main space, and you're off through your day. This truly is a lifestyle style building. We have dual zone HVAC upstairs as well as downstairs, so you can really control how you live. As we go off to the left, we notice that we have our large master bedroom. This master bedroom offers ample space for a bed, gorgeous high windows, uninhibited view, just absolutely beautiful for a place to live. As we look over here, nice walk-in closet. One feature I really like about the walk-in closet is that it has windows that are real windows, so natural light coming in. Here we go into the master bathroom. Beautiful tile work throughout. Just look how bright it is. And this beautiful shower, so that experience is really nice as well. Here we have silestone covering on top of our very nice shaker style cabinet. Again, this matches downstairs, so everything in sync, everything luxurious, everything together, everything beautiful. As we go through where the staircase is, off to our right here, now we have a laundry room right here. This laundry room is pre-plumbed, so it's very easy to install a washer and a dryer, all vented, all ready to go, all the water's there. We have a beautiful bathroom that again matches, and you can just see how nice that is with the finishes there, and the faucets and all of that. Just all plays really well together. This really is a nice feeling building. Right off and across from the restroom, we have this beautiful bedroom, or an office. I know a lot of people are working from home these days, or perhaps someone wanted just an office as a study area or a bedroom, all at your discretion. As I mentioned, everything is upgradable. Ceiling fans can be added, all sorts of different lighting. It's very nice. Here we come into another bedroom. This bedroom here offers ample space for closets, and just look at these nice high windows, just very nice. But this is the Portofino, a wonderful community, gated, safe, secure, beautiful. And I encourage anyone who's interested to come out and visit the Portofino. More information below.
For more information on this community, click the links in the description and stay tuned for more New Home Showcases.